Hi everybody, welcome back to Kenchestown Kitchen. We're going to do a quick vodka martini before we sit down to watch National Theatre at home. So I love a dry vodka martini, dry vermouth, vodka of your choice. This one we've used is Grey Goose. And we've got our wonderful vermouth soaked cocktail olives, or you could also do a twist of lemon if you like. So 2 ounces of vodka into the pitcher with ice, about a ½ ounce of the dry vermouth. Stir that up over ice. I've put some of the olive juice. I'll put a little bit more because I like them quite dirty, so that's salty, briny. If you can find these cocktail olives soaked in vermouth, they really do make the difference. And that's gonna go into my chilled martini glass, which we prepared in the fridge. And the amount of vermouth will really control how dry or sweet this is. And a couple cocktail olives, which are the vermouth soaked cocktail olives. And there is your super quick, super delicious dry vodka martini to enjoy your evening at home in front of Netflix, reading a book, or in our case, the National Theatre. Cheers everybody from Kenchestown Kitchen. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Good night.